Well, why? Then Lego. Alright, so I'm trying to hurry up. I have no clue what time it is. I have a clock that's wrong. Alright, so that's how it goes. I wrote this letter to my mom. I'm trying to convince her she's absolutely not going at all to get my bottom lip pierced. So I wrote a letter. I think that it's better to write a letter about facts. At least that's what this YouTube video told me. I will put his name thing in the, I don't know. I'm just, all credit I guess goes to him. I guess. Anyway, he gave me an idea, and he was like, you know what? Maybe you should give him some facts. And I'm like, oh, maybe I should. So I wrote a letter. So listen up, people. Alright. Dear Mommy. So, I thought about what you said about how you didn't want me to get my bottom lip pierced. So I decided to give you some reasons why you should, and facts. Number 1, money issues. No problem. Being I have a job now, I will pay for everything, even gas if needed. Number 2, jobs and family issues. Okay. Until it heals at my job, I have to wear a Band-Aid over it. Then I have to put in a flesh ring, which is one of those, clear but not exactly. Anyway, the flesh ring comes in handy, especially for family outings. If you don't want it to be flashy, I can wear the flesh ring. Yeah. Number 3, medical issues. What happens is you walk in, fill out the paperwork, tell them I want my bottom lip pierced. They will take me to the back. There will be 3 people allowed in the back. Usually it's 3. Then they put some surgical scrub stuff on my lip. I'm pretty sure they still make you swish it out, with mouthwash. And then they mark where I want it. Then they show me it, and blink, blink, they put clamps on my lip, and cha-ching, boom. Yeah, that's what happens. It's done. It hurts like ears. It stings for about a week, then swells, and done. Cleaning. All I have to do is put mouthwash in every time I eat and drink or anything else that really pertains to my mouth. Rubbing a Q-tip with soap and water, that helps as well on the outside. Usually it's, since I'm getting a stud little thing, whatever it's called, looper, I don't know. I have to have it in for about 3 weeks. Number 4, all smiles. I'll try to do more things around the house or just help out more. Hopefully this helps you realize that a lip ring isn't that bad, and I'll make sure to take care of it. Yeah. And I'll get it professionally done. Much love. I'm giving her this. I'm about to be on my way to work in a second. I'm giving her this, and I'll tell you how it goes. Yeah, pretty excited. Deuces.